Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create this camshaft mechanism in Blender. So let's start. So just to know that I am going to use physics simulation for that. So press A, X and delete. Press 7 on your numpad. Uh, okay, 1 on your numpad. Yes, 1 on your numpad. Click on add mesh and add a cylinder. Where is the cylinder? Sorry, cylinder and cylinder. Press RX90 and scale it down a little bit as y. Press 1. Now click on these two modes, select this, click on here, press G, Z, move it upward to make the shape of the cam. So this is how to click. Looks good to me. Now what I can do is I can add a something that go up and down with it. So click on here, add mesh and add a cylinder here again. Reduce its radius. Depth can be increased. Let's move it upward. Let's make this radius 0.2. Press tab. Press 2 for the acceleration mode. Select this. Press Ctrl A and apply scale. Now press Alt Shift. Select the edge. Press Ctrl V. Enter the value of 0.2. Increase the segments. Tab. Press 1. Select this. Tab. Tab. Press A. Mesh. Merge by distance. After that, I need to add one more thing. Click on Add Mesh, add a cube, scale it down, press G, Z, move it upward. This is basically used for constraint purposes. So now select this one, go here on Physics Simulation, click on Rigid Body. Make sure it is active and check on Animated. Select the mesh shape. Great. Select this, Rigid Body, active. Select the mesh shape. Select this, Rigid Body, passive. Passive means it is not going to play the part, just you will be just fixed there. And select the box. Now by pressing shift, select these two, go to the object, rigid body, click on connect, select slider, select this, press R Y. Make sure that your X direction is pointing in the direction where your follower will be, up and down, because in this case you need to choose X direction. In some cases, for example hinge, you will use Z direction for the defining rotation axis, so you need to keep in mind. So if I click on play, nothing is much happening. For example, it is not rotating. So what I have to do is select this I rotation, go to the frame 200, press R Y 360 I rotation. Select this, sensitivity to 0.01. Select this 0.01. Reduce friction to 0. For better results, go here on scene, rigid body world. Increase the substeps and solve iterations. Higher the better, but it will take long time to do the simulation. So you can see how does it work. You can give them color as per your requirements. Let's make it 200 and let's give them some color. So viewport display, blue, metallic, decrease its roughness. Right click, shade auto smooth, new, and change this to red, metallic, decrease the roughness or increase it. So in that way you can create this. It's quite simple and easy. Okay, you can hide this box if you don't want to see, no issues, and by default empty will not show in the your renders. So in that way you can create your cam mechanism It's quite simple, and by using fish simulation you can do this. So that's for all. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.